How can you make money online by selling digital products in 2021? This video should give you an idea of digital products to sell online and where you can sell them. In a few moments, I'm also going to show you how to learn all this for free, so keep on watching. First, a digital product is any virtual product you can pay for and download instantly. Digital products are intangible products that you cannot touch, but if you buy from Amazon, for example, the online product becomes a physical product as soon as it is delivered to your home. A very good example of a digital product is the streaming of movies and video games to play on your TV. Why digital products? Selling of digital products has a low investment and a potentially high return. There are a lot of products that you either can put together, or you may decide to sell other people's product for a commission, which is also known as affiliate marketing. Digital products are more profitable because it sells at a higher margin than a physical product, and it improves over time because you do not spend any money producing new units. You do not have to keep inventory, do any shipping, or rent any stores for your stock. When somebody buys online, it is automatically delivered to him, so you as a seller do not have to be online. This is where the term "make money while you sleep" comes from. More and more businesses are shifting online, so the demand for digital products is growing. Here are 8 digital products that you can look at to sell online. Number 1 is ebooks. You do not have to be a novelist to be able to write an ebook. There are many courses online that will teach you how to write ebooks. Number 2, online courses. Teaching online is becoming more and more popular. Your expertise can be a new source of revenue, and building a course around your passion and expertise might be the perfect digital product for you. Number 3 is graphic design work. If you are a graphic designer, you already have the tools to design and sell your work. Number 4 is templates. Many people are looking for templates to save development time, as for example, wedding invitations, Excel templates, WordPress themes, and business cards. Number 5, craft patterns and downloadable prints. There is a huge market for patterns. Just have a look on Etsy. Number 6, music and audio. There are many businesses that are looking for music for their campaigns. They all use audio in one form or another. Number 7, stock photography. If you have an eye for light, color and framing, selling photos online can bring you a steady side income. Number 8 is memberships. A membership site is a subscription website with gated content that members can sign up or pay to access. They are typically educational, and there is an expectation from subscribers for new content on a regular basis. When you are ready to start selling online, your budget is in place and your niche is chosen, you need to choose a digital selling platform. Factors also be taken into account is ease of use and how much control you have over the appearance of your store. There are e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Thinkific, but remember, they charge you to create your own digital storefront, customized with your own branding. Shopify is best for e-commerce. It is your own online store with unlimited products and also the ability to sell online products. Thinkific is best for online courses. They have the ability to launch membership sites. On this site, you can keep all your revenue for yourself. You have complete control over how much you charge and the design of your site. Etsy has a large community of crafters that you can target. They take a small commission. They are the best for downloadable prints, how-to guides, and craft designs. Amazon is best for ebooks. Check out their website for the latest costs. Skillshare is an online course marketplace. It is a marketplace for students looking for online courses. Skillshare operates under a subscription model. Udemy is also an online course marketplace where students are looking for online courses. Udemy takes 50% to 75% of all your revenue in exchange for driving traffic to your courses. There is no subscription fees. Then there is YouTube, which is good for selling of any product in any niche. It is free to use, but if you do not understand how to get to the first page of YouTube and Google, which owns YouTube, then it can take years before you make any revenue. Overload.com states that there are 2.3 billion users on YouTube. 79% of users on the internet have their own YouTube account. 1 billion hours of videos are watched every day. 62% of businesses use YouTube as a channel to post video content. More than 70% of YouTube watch time comes from mobile users. 90% of people say they discovered new brands or products on YouTube. There are more statistics, but I do not want to bore you. If you want to learn for free how to be on the first page of Google and YouTube, go to the description of this video and there you will find the link to a free course. The course is going to teach you how to rank on Google and YouTube on the first page within sometimes 24 hours, and it is free, so go grab it. Before you go and grab your course, like, share, comment on this video and hit the bell so that you can be informed when I post another video like this one.